Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to enable or disable dial pad sounds on this device. So first I'll go in here to the phone application to show you that I have now enabled sounds on my dial pad. So now just should go to the settings application and tap to the sounds and vibration section. I just scroll down to the advanced options, and here you'll see the dial pad tone switcher. Just to enable Iowa dial pad tones, tap here once on the switcher, and now just we'll check that. As can you see right now, we just set up our keyboard or dial pad sounds, and if you want to just turn it off, this option, just tap here on the dial pad tone switcher again, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.